let's talk about reporting for your grants. GrantFrog helps you pull these reports, what your grant status is, how much, all the information in a really easy to use way. In GrantFrog, you can see an overview of your grants, how many you've requested, what's been awarded in these charts. You can download these charts as a PDF if you need to share them with leadership or the board in one easy click. You can also see your trends over time, what you've done in grants over the years. Now, the main one you'll probably be using is this grants list. This is where you'll be able to pull the information about what grants you have open, what you have submitted, what you've been awarded for the year, or you can sort it by what you've worked on in the past 6 months. On the grants list here, you can choose by a status. Maybe you only want to see what you've been awarded, so you'll be able to pull that report. Maybe you want to see specifically what certain users have worked on. You can pull that report as well. You can also sort it by the due date, things that have been previously done or what's upcoming. You can also see what you've submitted in maybe the past 3 months. Maybe that's a common report. So there are a lot of different ways to pull these reports that you need to present to leadership or your board, or for you to see where you are on your grants progress. Once you have your filters chosen, you can then export it as a CSV file or as a PDF. So if we share it as a PDF, you can see we get this nice report for you to share with anyone who's needed.